To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws. Remove the filter frame by pulling outwards. Remove the old filter from the frame. Install your new filter into the frame. Place the filters and the frame back into the housing. Once the filter is fully flushed and the housing is aligned, reinstall the screws. Close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.